Hey, what is going on YouTube? It is your Bark 007. Now in today's tutorial, I'll be showing you guys how to set a link as well alongside with your snap. So let's say you have a YouTube video and you'd want to share that link. I'm going to show you guys how to attach a link to your Snapchat. So let's go into my gallery and let's say I have this thumbnail from one of my videos and I also have the link copied. So what you need to do is to click on share. Let's click on Snapchat. And then as you can see, we have the image here. So what you need to look for is this icon right here, the attachment icon. You can find it right here. It's a paperclip, so you need to look for that icon. So tap on the paperclip icon, and as you can see, it automatically detected what's on my clipboard. When you first launch this, it will ask you if you want to allow that. So click on allow automatical detection from your clipboard, and if I should input the URL, as you can see, we have the video here. So let's tap on the video. And as you can see, we have the option down here to attach to Snap. So we'll attach this video to Snap. And whenever I share this video, we can also move this around. So whenever I post this video to my Snapchat story, so let's click on add to my story and add to my story. And now that has been added to my story with the link. So if I should go to my stories, well, it's currently sending to my story. Okay, good. So it's now on my story. So let's click on it, and as you can see, it's there. If I should use if I'm viewing from one of my friends' perspective, we'll automatically have the swipe up link, which will launch the YouTube page. Now as you can see, we could click on the attachment here and it will automatically start playing the video. So that is how you go about adding a link to a Snapchat story post. So I hope this tutorial was helpful. Thank you guys for watching. Hacker 007 out.